Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Chat-GPT. It's super easy. Please follow the steps that I'm showing you in this video. Basically, Chat-GPT is an artificial intelligent chatbot created by Open.AI. It helps you to create automatic texts, codes, essays, scripts, etc. within seconds. It's a revolutionary AI which will also help you to write scripts for your YouTube videos. So let's go ahead and see how we can use Chat-GPT. So we already have Chat-GPT open here. As we can see, we have two options. Either we have to sign up if you don't have an account. You have to create an account. Then you have to click on login. So since we have an account, we will click on login. But if you don't, you have to create an account on Chat-GPT. So let's enter credentials. There we go. So this is the main page of Chat-GPT. As we can see, we have various different examples, capabilities of it, and then limitations. So we can upgrade the Chat-GPT into a plus version, into a pro version. You can change the mode. You can either use the light mode or dark mode, whichever you prefer. You can create new chats by clicking on this button right here. And you can start with your chat bot by texting here in this table right here, in this field. So let's say, write me the differences between MacBook Pro and MacBook Air. As you can see, it is automatically writing our differences between MacBook Pro and MacBook Air. It will give you a whole different paragraph, the differences. And if you think that the script is too long, you can click on the button right here. It will also create your topic name, your chat name over here. Isn't that crazy? We can type in, if you want to, we can create another chat. If you say, write me an essay on sea animals, let's say. If you type in the words limitations as well, let's say of 2000 or 3000 words, then click on send, you can see that it will automatically create the essay of sea animals, and it will give you an exact amount of 3000 words. It is really helpful in creating your YouTube video scripts and also in your task maybe. But there's also another way, another interface of Chat-GPT that I want to show you. Let's click on stop generate. This is called platform.openai.com playground. What is it actually? Basically, this is another version of Chat-GPT, but it will provide a more various range of different modes. It will give you a lot more options of customizing your chat. We have the model here. As you can see, we have various different, more customizable options for it. In here, you can't, customize many things. But here in this playground, you can customize it to your liking. You can ask Q&A. You can translate English to other language. You can choose text to command, chat. Then you can use the mode of it. You can use either chat, insert, edit, or you know, increase the temperatures of it. If you don't know what temperature means in chat, you can search it up right here, or it will give you a clear definition. The randomness here, it is already by default DaVinci 003. This is the latest one. This is the latest chat bot of this platform, this playground basically. Then you can also show the probabilities of it. Basically, in playground you have more options. You have more various type of examples. If you don't have any ideas, you can go to examples. You can have, as you can see, you can go as Q&A, grammar corrections, etc. Either way, Chat-GPT is a revolutionary website, a revolutionary interface created by Open.AI, which will help in YouTube automation. It will help in your work. It will help in creating your scripts. It will make your day much more easier, basically. It will create everything for you without any type of money wasting on creating scripts on your video. We can see that there are many creators who spend money for creating their YouTube script in, let's say, Fiverr or somewhere else in freelancing websites, but after using this Chat-GPT, it will save your time, money and energy. I hope this video has helped you in giving you a little bit of knowledge on how to use Chat-GPT and how you can use this platform of Playground by OpenAI. And thank you for watching.